Big Island, having a lunch. There's some koi. Beautiful place to eat. There's our beautiful sun. Yay! So today Braden's gonna have some different things.
He's trying some finger foods now. These are pick-me-up raviolis.
Pick-me-up raviolis and an organic vegetable chicken dinner. That's a baby mum-mums.
All right, Braden, here is a bite of ravioli. This is your first ravioli of your whole entire life. You want to try it out? This food is not pureed. This is just soft and it's bite-sized. What do you think?
Yummy!
Oh my gosh. Is it that bad? Oh. Where did it go? Oh, it's on your foot, buddy. Here. Here. Just finish one ravioli here. Open your mouth. It's pretty tasty. It's just the texture, I think, that you're averse to. Okay, let's see how you like the puree. You seem to usually like puree. I think he's concentrating on something else right now and it's not eating.